Push off the back foot. Push off the back foot. Double jab. Push. Push. Chin down. That's it. Sit. Sit. That's it. Double jab. Come on. Up and down. After that right, remember? Anytime you throw a right, you need a left. What happened to the left? 1, 2, 1. Let's go. Straight right. Come on, hands up. Work, step. He's backing you up. Come on. Come on, forward.